All right, y'all. We got a main garden update. We got some things that have been crushing it, things that have been doing okay. Either way, I'm happy with everything that I'm seeing in here. Let's just go take a look and then we'll talk a little bit. This is going to be a short and easy one. I ain't doing much today. A lot of this stuff is on cruise control now. Kind of give you an idea of what I have been doing because I have been slacking, kind of keeping you guys updated as to how the garden's going. Let's just cruise around, check out what we got going on, and that'll be it. We've got the Nancy Ray Gun auto regs that I have popped. We did 12 of them. I think we got 9. We're gonna do a little seed increase here, hopefully work it to a F3, have some projects with the homies to work with. So I am very excited about those. They won't be in here forever. Once they get a little bit bigger, they will be going to their final home. They're about a week or so old. They ain't got much longer to be in here, and then they will head out and go where they gotta go. We got our little bonsai over here looking awesome. This is Connoisseur's Crack from Rinse. Looking stellar. Over here we've got Magic Tricks, again from Rinse Warrior, looking really awesome. This big girl over here is the Sunny Tibawawa. I don't know. Sunny Tibawawa. I think that's how you say it. She's fucking raging. Got a lot bigger than I'd expected. She did have a box mate, but the soil beavers got a hold of her and fell over. This one was actually the smaller of the two, so I would have been interested to see what the large one would have turned out to be. This is the one we're going to do some defoliation on. So, but as you can see in there, she kind of does a little number, then comes up. I've been trying to keep that top and all the other tops down a little bit, so they're not shooting up past each other. Still a little malleable, so every once in a while, if one's kind of getting a wild hair, I'll come over there, pinch it, and just fold her over. Now, I know that's not considered LST. It may be considered high-stress training. I haven't noticed them be too upset about it, so we'll keep doing it. We've got a little bonsai here, looking gnarly. We bent it down on itself and tied it down. This is the Howling's Dessert in my Yag little planter here with a little tomato friend. Pretty sure that's a tomato. That one surprised the heck out of me. I think I might try to untie it and see what she does to herself. Next one we've got here, this is the Unseen Queen crossed to White Wizard. This is from Cat Dad. Cat Dad and Rinse Warrior do a lot of work together, so it is actually some of his work and Cat Dad's work. And yeah, she's looking good. I did stunt her, most definitely, but I'm excited to see what she's gonna do. Either way, she's gonna be awesome smoke, I'm sure of it. Always have great things from Cat Dad. I'm gonna have to run another one of his and do her justice. While we're on the stunt train, I will show you this poor girl over here. This is Sherman's Tactic from Focus. I've been on, like I said, a stunt train lately. If I can stunt it, I will. So she's another one that suffered at my hands, but it is what it is. She's looking really good. I'm happy with it. I even love my stunted autos. I don't care. Now, this one that we got here is another one from Cat Dad. This is his Crom Kush for his bonsai grow along. Kind of did some gnarly training with this. There's actually 2 plants in here. I trained one. I'll show you. I trained one around that way and then one around this way, and I've kind of tied them in together, weaving their branches, holding them down. So it's been a fun little project. They're all looking pretty cool. Definitely go check Rinse and Cat Dad out if you have not heard of them or seen them. They're some fun dudes. And then honestly, what I'm gonna say has been the star of the show is this little sister from Focus. With everything going on, me stunting the piss out of everything, she's just been cruising. She has just been cruising. Again, she had another mate that was in here, but I ended up culling it because, I mean, there would have been no room. but she's looking absolutely stellar. I'm loving everything that's stacking up. Gonna be some nice big buds in there. He definitely screwed up calling it little sister. I would have called it big sister, but yeah, it is what it is. She's still got a little bit longer, but not too much. And again, I didn't really do much defoliation with this one. This one just kind of left her on her own to do her own thing, and you know, occasionally cleaned up some of the legs, but nothing really crazy. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it. I still am going to do some defoliating, but no need to keep you around for this. We just got a quick short update for you. I just wanted to show you how this garden's been looking. I know I've been slacking trying to keep everything going content-wise, and I do apologize for anybody that does enjoy the videos and I haven't had any in a little bit. Life happens. I tend to deal with a lot of stuff in my own brain that tends to hold me down. So we're pulling through it. We're going to keep this update going, keep showing you guys what we got cooking in here. And thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody that takes their time out of their day to check out what I have going on inside my little garden. And I appreciate you. So thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoy this. We'll see you next time. Peace.